today, Monday na naman, and we have hospital duty. I'm with Angela and Habiliana. Anyway, nasa ibang hospital na assign si Habiliana. So yun, we'll part ways downstairs. So yun, let's go fighting. Update, we're going home. Finally, nakapag-vlog ako na pauwi. Ayan, hindi. Ayan. Na naman? Oo. Dun. Okay guys, we're going na. Hey guys, it's now Tuesday, the last day of our duty for this rotation. Yan, so on our way to the hospital again. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday today, and it's the opening day of nursing week. Say hi. Hi guys! So today is our nursing week and magpaparade kami today. Mag-parade tayo today, right? Say hi to the vlog! Hi vlog! Tanto to be with Tutu C! Tutu C! Ay, Tutu C! With Tutu 12! Tutu 12! The OGs! Wow! Ayan, vlog! Face check. Init! Oh, init! Hi, nako. Update. So we're on our way to Kimli, Kmart. Tama. Say hi to my vlog. Hi guys, so we're here at Chill Thrill KTV for a while lang, right? Hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Say hi to my vlog. Guys, we're here walking along Espanya. Ganda naman ni Heaven. Nagplansya pa yan siya ng hair. So yun, it's so nice. Hey guys, so we're here at SM North to meet up with our sister and her friend, Ate Ezra. Hi, Ate Ezra. Say hi to my vlog. Done eating. Thank you, Ate Ezra, for the meal. So now we're going home na, I guess. Hey guys, so it's Sunday. This will be the last day for this week's weekly vlog. So, adios. Bye.